What's up, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm. Today is kind of a semi-sad day for us because we're saying goodbye to Marshall, our second potbelly pig. What's up, everybody? How are you doing today? This is Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm. Today we're rehoming Marshall. Marshall is our second potbelly pig. He's been here for a few years. He's kind of messed up some stuff under my mother-in-law's house. He's tore up cable wire, he's tore up telephone wires. He gets under there, finds a cool spot, roots it out. Her house is off the ground. And he also gets into my feed barrels all the time, constantly get into the feed barrels. I have to strap them, and sometimes even though I got them strapped to a structure to keep them from falling over, he'll still keep just pushing on it until he knocks it over, and then he'll gorge on the feed in there, which a chance can make him sick. And we wasn't going to give him just to anybody, so some friends of ours who owns this huge farm, and they also have 3 other potbelly pigs that just free range their whole property. It's fenced in. It's beautiful, so they said that they would absolutely take Marshall. So Marshall's going to an awesome home where he can just have acres and acres of land where he can roam around on, eat all the grass he wants, and of course he'll be well fed over there because they take such great care of their animals. But today is Marshall's last day here on Cog Hill. So we got old Marshall loaded up. We're going to take him to a friend of ours that has tons of property for him to roam. He's gonna have an awesome home, lots of buddies there, so he's gonna be happy. A duck in the horse trailer. Oh Lord, it's spinning.
She's stuck? I'll get in there.
No, I got her. She ain't happy though. She ain't happy. Oh, look where that duck bit me. She wasn't happy. Let's roll. Hey girl, look where that duck bit me.
Did she do that?
Yeah, she bit the stew out of me, look. She wasn't happy at all. Well, don't you think Marshall will be happy?
She has 3 other pigs.
3 other pigs.
Has what is close to a pond. It's a big wallow with water in it.
Right.
She took a picture of one yesterday that was laid out in that water.
Really?
Yeah.
Plenty of other animals too, llamas, horses.
Now Peaches, she wouldn't be happy.
No, Peaches wouldn't be happy.
Peaches is a
house pig. She just don't go in the house.
She's clean, she's neat, she doesn't make a mess, she doesn't tear anything up.
She don't like other animals.
No, she wants to be solitary for whatever reason.
I think she's introverted.
She doesn't like Marshall.
Or either just a diva. She doesn't like Marshall. And this area is flat, pasture, lots of, it's big. It's big. I don't know how many acres it is.
Lots.
Lots of acres. Fenced in, it's nice.
Little streams running through it.
Little streams, a big old creek, and it's perfect for him. Well, it's so rural that hee-haw comes on Thursdays, but they don't get it till Sunday.
Mary Paul said, "What is hee-haw?"
Mary Paul probably would like hee-haw.
She probably would. We could probably make our own episode of hee-haw.
We probably could make our own episodes of hee-haw.
I don't know if I should go in on the other side. No, the gate's open.
Gate's open.
I guess she left it open for us. I'm just gonna go this way and go back around. What you doing, buddy? I said, what you doing, buddy? Whatever. She told me to put this pig in the pasture. I should just drive through the gate over there.
Pig?
Yeah, pig.
We done got another pig?
Done got another pig.
Just pull around and back to the gate. You don't
Okay.
gotta go all the way in the gate.
Just let him out and then go.
Just bag it in and we'll let him out.
Okay.
I help you already.
You ain't got
You
to
gotta
help.
help us. It ain't no big deal. He'll just run right on out.
Alright, just bag right on
Okay.
over there. I'm gonna go to this way anyway.
Okay.
Thank you, Justin.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Go on, buddy. There you go. What's up, pretty girl? What is up? Hmm? Hmm? Yeah.
Yeah. Breaking the record already. He'll let you catch it.
So we just dropped off Marshall. Everything's great. I know he's gonna be extremely happy there. It's lots of room. We can go visit him anytime we want to, and they're gonna post a lot of pictures of him and keep us informed of what's going on over there. Our big round bale of hay is about to run out, so we're fixing to go over to the place where we get hay from, so our chickens, goats, and rabbits will be happy. Especially they love that fresh bale of hay.
You want to sit tight, bud? My husband does YouTube videos. I don't even know if you know
How
what
you doing?
YouTube is, but
don't
do
really
you
care.
mind if he records putting the hay in the trailer?
No.
Okay. Okay. Is it still 40? Is that right? He works full-time at that. He's awesome.
He's a character.
He is funny.
So he's 90.
He's gonna be 90
Gonna
in
be 90.
November.
Gonna be 90.
And he baled 93,
Bales of hay.
90, was it 93?
Yeah.
Bales of hay last week. Him and one other man. And that man that helps him is in his 70s.
That's crazy.
Ah,
Reminds me of Granddaddy.
well, he's so knowledgeable. I just love to come out here. I could talk to him all day long.
Now Tipper and the gang will be happy.
Well, they could have had some hay with rotten eggs in it, but
There's nothing like fresh hay. I just love the smell of it, the way it looks. I don't know. It's just something about it. Good stuff, guys. Fresh, awesome hay. Yeah. What do you think, Top? What do you think, Tipper? Is that awesome? You gonna get it out of the bucket there, Boots? What are you doing, Raz and Jazz? Everybody getting in on the hay. They're absolutely loving the fresh hay, which I knew they would. I knew they would. Plus, I didn't have any this morning, so it just worked out perfectly. Raz and Jazz, Razzle and Dazzle. That's what we named them. I don't know if I said that on our YouTube videos or not. I did say it on Instagram and Facebook. If you don't follow us on Instagram, especially Instagram, I post 3 or 4 things a day on Instagram. So if you ever want to know what's going on daily on the farm, definitely check us out on Instagram. And I post a good bit on Facebook as well. But yeah, Mary Carl ended up naming them Razzle and Dazzle. We call them Raz and Daz for short. So everybody's doing awesome. Everybody's healthy. They're doing awesome. Yeah, most definitely check in your area, and if you're using square bales and you got somewhere you can put a round bale, definitely check that out and see if a round bale might be cheaper for you. Oh, come on, guys. What's all the fussing for? Let's go get some lunch. Having everybody's favorite here on the farm, peanut butter and honey. Look at the garden. It's so awesome. Hey guys, check out this video right over here. I think you like it. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm shirts, we got a bunch of new designs out. Check out that link right there. Y'all be good.